How to teach online. How to make your online class very interesting and not boring. How to assess your students without spending hours correcting their sheets. To know the answers, please keep watching this course. To teach online, you will need some tools that we can divide into hardware and software. As for the hardware items, you will need an internet connection, you will need a laptop or a phone if you don't have a laptop. Sometimes a teacher needs a whiteboard to explain something like calculus or a grammatical rule. For this part, we will need to buy a graphic tablet. I can recommend you my own graphic tablet. It's not expensive at all and it's very effective. I will leave you the link down in the description box. As for the part of software, we'll talk about the applications and websites that we will use to explain stuff to our students, to share our screens or to show them the whiteboard we are doing stuff on, and the websites that we will use for assessing our students and designing some games for them. The tablet I've told you about is Fondeco L. It is produced by XPen, one of the most famous companies in the field of technologies and graphic tablets. Let's talk about the specs. The tablet offers you a big space of about 10 inches to draw and write whatever you want. With this graphic tablet, you will get a stylus or a pen that is battery free, so you don't need to charge it every time. The tablet works with different operating systems: Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. If you unbox the package of this graphic tablet, you will find the following: a graphic tablet, a pen, 10 pen nibs, and changer for these nibs of the tablet. You will also find a quick guide to use the tablet, plus a USB-C cable to connect it to the laptop or your phone.